Hello and welcome back to my channel Code with Abhi. Today we are going to learn how to implement push notification outside the Flutterflow. The reason is for implementing the push notification using the Flutterflow, we require an upgrade to the Blaze plan for the Firebase project. But I don't need to upgrade for my particular project, or not always required to upgrade to a Blaze plan. So, how to implement notification outside the Flutter flow, we are going to learn in this. So, we are going to use the package name awesome notifications in our Flutter flow project. Okay. So, this is my app in Flutter flow, and we are going to copy this project, show in folder. Okay. I'm going to copy this and on the desktop let me create a new folder, notifications, sorry, notification, and in that I am going to paste this one. Okay, now I am going to open the folder notifications sham group. Okay, yes, now it will, as per the guidelines of the awesome notifications, we have to um, add these dependencies first of all. So I'm going to add these dependencies in my purpose.yml. Dependencies. Okay. Second, they will be, and just let me. Okay. Second, they will ask us to add this and check this. Okay. So first of all, I will go to Android app build.gradle 34 21 34. Okay, so these settings are correct. Now here I will need to add the build script. So what I am going to do is I am going to use the code from the example of awesome notification. Example Android build.gradle, and I am going to copy this build script. Okay, and paste it above this one. Okay, now need to initialize the awesome notification. So we need to go to the main part, and after this init I'm going to awesome notifications dot initialize. Default icon is null, and notifications notification, just a moment, and let me just check again with notification channel. So I'm just going to copy paste that for now. Notification channel, just a moment. Okay, this bracket I forgot. Let me do it again. Paste. Okay, I'm just going to remove this channel key. Group key we don't need. Okay, now initialize part is done, and as we all know, currently there is requirement like we need to ask the permissions for Android and iOS as well. So we will check the permissions here. Awesome notifications dot is notification allowed dot then if is allowed, okay, and here we are going to check if is not allowed, then we will ask the permission for that. Also notification dot request permission to send notification. That's all. So our initializing part is done. Now let me run the project directly through the Bobcat, and okay, it's installed now. It will ask for notification permission. Okay, so we need to allow that. Let me try to log in. Okay, so it's working till initialize and requesting the permissions. Now we will create a notification. So I'm going to the page where check in and checkout button is there. I'm just going to copy that button. Let's reload it. Okay, now I'm going to rename it as create notification. Okay, and on press I am going to remove, and on awesome notification we will just copy create notification. Let me click that and we should get a notification. Okay, so that's how easy to implement push notification in Flutterflow and Flutter. In next video we will see like how we can use the Firebase and get notifications from the Firebase and show it with using awesome notifications. Thank you.